What's the funniest way you've outsmarted a teacher? My science teacher had one rule for his exams. We were allowed to bring one note card, a 3x5 note card. It was supposed to be a tiny, cramped index card where you had to write in microscopic handwriting, squeezing in as many formulas and notes as humanly possible. Everyone accepted it. Everyone suffered, except me. Because I realized something. He never actually said inches. He just said 3x5. That night, I went home, grabbed a massive 3-foot by 5-foot poster board, and started writing every formula, every law of physics, every single note I had ever taken in class. By the time I was done, it looked like I was prepping for a NASA launch. The next day, I walked into class like it was a normal day. Sat down, put my folded up note card on my desk. Nobody noticed at first. Then the test started, and I unfolded it. A 3-foot by 5-foot massive cheat sheet. It covered my entire desk. It spilled over onto the chair next to me. It blocked the view of the kid behind me. The entire class went dead silent. My teacher turned around. His eyes bulged out of his head. "What is that?" I looked up, completely serious. My 3x5 note card. He just stood there, processing. Then he grabbed the syllabus, frantically flipping through it, searching for a rule that could stop me. I watched as his face slowly dropped because he knew I wasn't technically breaking any rules. And in that moment, I knew I had won. The class was dying. Someone in the back whispered, "There's no way he's getting away with this." My teacher took a deep breath, scratched his head, and in the most defeated voice I've ever heard, just muttered, "Fine, just take your test." So I did, with the biggest note card in history, and I passed with an